My friend, Big Home, I'm here on your house. My gosh, I'm here on the, fried, this is fried egg, fried rice. Looks so delicious. I'm hungry again. Hello, Mano. How are you? Thank you for coming. Philippines. Sakit ang likod ko. Oh, I'm a robot now. I'm a robot now. Good morning. My friend, Nasangka TV. My gosh, it's been a long time. Where have you been? I miss you, my friend. You can connect with Big Home, my friend. And Mama Ellie also. Oh, I think you're connected already with Mama Ellie. You can connect with Big Home. Thank you so much. Vadakayal from mo of who's that? Who's there? Yes, long time. Yes, it's long time no see. But now see now. How are you? I hope you're doing well, my friend. Thank you anyway for coming. A little fast mini vlog. Hi, madam. Thank you for coming. Thank you, sis, sa pagbisita. Wait lang, sis, bigyan kita ng jacket. You can connect with Mama Ellie and Nasanga TV and Big Home. Salamat sa pagbisita, sis.